I'm Sarah Strackhouse with ISSA TV, and today I'm speaking with Bill Heeman from Hospeco a little bit about some of the products behind us. How are you, Bill?
I'm very good, thank you.
Good. Can you tell us a little bit about your innovative products we have here?
Yeah, well, last year we were talking about our Period Partner Initiative with free feminine menstrual care products. So this year we're introducing dispensers that are no-touch. We're going to complete the no-touch restroom. So behind us here, we have a dispenser, dispenses the sanitary pad just by waving it. You wait 5 seconds, there's a delay, and you can dispense a tampon, okay? Then in addition to that, we've got our no-touch toilet seat cover dispenser, okay? That dispenses single sheet, so there's no waste. The sheet itself requires no removal of tabs, so there's absolutely no waste. It presents ready to use. And then finally, in a women's restroom, the most contaminated thing in a women's restroom is this sanitary napkin bin, and now this is a no-touch combination receptacle. You just wave, it opens. You just use this disposal bag for the used product. It's waterproof, antimicrobial, and lightly scented. You take that product, just dispose of it into the waste receptacle. This waste receptacle, also when you're changing the bag that would go in that waste receptacle, if you hold your hand over here, that'll keep it open, give you 60 seconds to change the bag. What we're recommending is getting away from Waxcraft liners, which really don't work properly, and it results in the waste receptacle being contaminated, and using this fitted poly bag. It's our Secure Fit 360. This handle fits around the bag so that the janitor doesn't even have to go in to remove that bag. So we're talking about safe and sanitary disposal and protection of the worker.
So tell me a little bit about how your company continues to be so innovative. I know, like you talked about last year, we interviewed you for an innovation entry as well. Tell us about how your company thinks about moving forward.
Well, innovation is a strategic imperative. I mean, it starts with that being one of the tenets of your business. So as a result of that, anything that we do in any of our product lines, we look to find ways to differentiate meaningfully, adding additional value, doing something that's safer, reducing package content from a sustainability point of view. So it starts with that being a tenet of the business. So that it really, in each of our 10 categories, we actively look to do that, to differentiate, to find that thing that actually drives true value.
And you already touched a little bit upon this, but can you tell us why this is so beneficial for your customers?
Well, first of all, customers like to have something new to talk about, okay? To go out and so from that perspective. And then obviously this is all, we're in an economy with scarce resources and everybody's looking for better solutions. So if it can save time, if it's a better product, if it can enhance the customer experience, like something like this, it's pretty straightforward that if you can reduce odor and protect that it's a valuable product. So, that's why.
Absolutely, and very efficient. Can you talk a little bit about why it's so important to continue to stay creative and innovative when it comes to the cleaning industry as a whole?
Yeah, and I think I guess kind of to the same point. I mean, first of all, there's a lot of competitors out here. Okay, so you need to stay ahead of your competition. Okay, but it's all about driving additional value and enhancing the customer experience. So if you're not growing, you're dying. Okay, so you have to maintain vibrancy in a company. You got to think about innovating. So that's what drives us.
Yeah. Well, is there anything else you'd like to add and for people to know about the product?
No, I would say that the future is here, and it's no touch for the restroom.
Well, where can people find out more information about what you do and about the product?
Well, you can contact any of our reps. We've got some of the finest reps in the industry in North America, and or call us at 800-321-9832, and love to serve.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Thanks very much.
For ISSA TV, I'm Sarah Strackhouse.